Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a file without a file extension format type on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 7 through Windows 11 computers, and it's going to be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So open up the search menu, type in Notepad, and we're going to go ahead and open it up. And if you were trying to save a file from offline, you could do this in a similar way that I'm about to show. If you just want to save it as a generic file type, you could just select File and then Save As. And then when you're prompted with the Save As window, this is what's important. For Save As type, I'm going to click on the drop-down and select All Files. And then for file name, this is how you're going to save it as a generic file. You're just going to do an inverted comma. So just do the comma and then type in whatever name you want to name this file, and then another comma or inverted comma after the file name, and then you want to select save. And there you go, guys. I have the file now saved on our desktop. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.